So, today I want to introduce a great tool for organization that's going to save a lot of time when it comes to using Google Docs, slides, or forms with your students. And it's called Google Classroom. It's different from Seesaw just because Seesaw is more like a portfolio that you can share with parents, and Google Classroom is a place where the students can go to see assignments that they need to do. So instead of looking in their shared with me folder or making copies, you can do it all for them with just a click of a button. It also means that all of the assignments that they do, group presentations, slideshows, they're all going to be in one spot. So I'm just going to show you some things that I did last year with Google Classroom. And how to upload things to Google Classroom. So Google Classroom's easy, very easy to access. All you need is a Gmail account, and you can add all of your students. So when they log in to classroom.google.com, it's going to already open up and they can click on their class. So I use this for surveys. If you fill out Google Forms, you could make quizzes and they could go to Google Classroom to take a quiz. You'll have all of the responses in one spot. I'm just going to show you an example how to add an assignment. So you just click create an assignment with this little plus button, and you can name your assignment whatever you want, and you can link from your Google Drive. So it's going to pop up and there will be your most recent files are first. So for today, I'm just going to give you an example using this ePortfolio. So if I click on the ePortfolio and then I'm going to add it, it's going to upload here, and it makes your life so easy because you can automatically make a different copy for each student. So it'll have the name of the assignment, it'll have the student's name, and it will be in one spot. So that's one thing you can do. You can also have students edit the file, so each student gets the same document and they can all edit, or you can just have them view. It's also great for group projects because if you want to assign one template to just one group, you can click the students you want to receive that assignment. So it helps because maybe students can't share and unshare with the people in their groups. Just very organized. So that's how you assign an assignment. I'm just going to open up an assignment for you to see what it looks like. This is the same ePortfolio. We used this for conferences last year. So I just made a template and assigned it to each student. But with any assignment, you can see how easy it is to grade because it's all in one spot. This is all of the students. I assigned a different document for each student. It just made an automatic copy, and they went in and edited their own ePortfolio. So now I can click on any of these that I would want to see their project. So yeah, that's pretty much how I use it. I love using Google Classroom because it just saves me a lot of time when it comes to finding documents. I don't have to go into my Gmail and look for something that's been shared with me or things that get disorganized. It's just in one spot. It also saves time for the students because it's very intuitive. They can go to Google Classroom, they can see an assignment they're supposed to do, a quiz. You can assign the template for a project. You can put a rubric here. So instead of them going into what's shared with them in their Google Drive, they can just go into Google Classroom and it's organized. So it's a one-stop spot for students and teachers, and it makes your life so easy. So I recommend if you use Google Docs, Google Slides, or Google Forms with your students to use Google Classroom to make your life easier. If you have any more questions about Google Classroom, just comment on this video. I think it's the easiest way, and I can see if I do more tutorials, or if you want to hear more about this, I will be happy to help. So I hope this helped at least a few of you. Let me know if you have any more questions.